Hello beautiful people, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, I am Cherry. I do luxury bag unboxing, bag reviews, lifestyle, fashion, and travel videos. So for today's video, we are going to unbox my latest Louis Vuitton purchase. So I have here 3 lovely items that I'm excited to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's start unboxing. So let's start with the smallest box. So this is one of the hard to find SLGs of Louis Vuitton. Here she is, guys. Let's open it. So this is the beautiful iconic key pouch in monogram print. So this is what it looks like and it's so cute. So it has the zip closure and it also has this gold D-ring. So it's so nice. It's in shiny gold hardware and has the Louis Vuitton and LV logo here. Okay, so let's proceed with the biggest box in my haul. Actually, I did not expect to purchase this bag at that time, but since I'm already at the store, I decided to check on some items that I'm interested in. Honestly, this is not one of the bags I'm eyeing for. I am actually interested with the same bag but in different print and material. But my SA asked me if I want to see this, so I just said yes so I can compare it with the other bag or the other print. When she showed this to me, it was love at first sight. I really fell in love with this bag because it looks so perfect. I'm so excited to share with you what's inside this bag, so let's unbox her. So guys, this is the Alma BB in monogram print. So this is so cute, right? I love the size. It's not too big as I thought. Actually, it's a tiny bag, but as most of you know, I love small bags and mini bags. So this is just so perfect for me and I totally love it. And it also has this key bell with Louis Vuitton Paris here, and it has 2 keys inside. And of course, it has this padlock in shiny gold color. It has LV here on the side and Louis Vuitton Paris engraved on this padlock. It has this 4 gold studs to protect the bag. It has a bag strap. This strap is not adjustable. It has this lobster clasp in gold hardware. So let's go to the interior. So this is what it looks like inside. It has this textile lining and also has this small flat pocket inside. So I decided to add this bag in my collection because this is a very classic and timeless piece of Louis Vuitton. So we are now down to the last box. So this is the beautiful Bandeau BB. So look at the print. It has the monogram print in blush pink and it's so cute. And on the other side, it has some of the iconic bags of Louis Vuitton. So according to the website, this print is a tribute to the house of leather goods and its gifting mascot Vivienne. And this is such a pretty bandeau. I love the color and the prints. So lately I've been seeing a lot of bandeaus and twillies and bag charms on Instagram and also on YouTube. So I decided to buy one for my Alma BB. But the problem is I don't know how to tie this on my bag. So for the meantime, I'll just tie it over here. Ta-da! So for the meantime, I'll just tie the bandeau like this as a ribbon to my Alma BB. So I really need to watch tutorial videos on how to put bandeau or twillies. So next, I'm gonna show you different ways on how I wear my Alma BB. So keep on watching.
You're full of confidence and cheap color. You're showing off your moves and hope for attention. And I am turning life into an invitation that I don't know. I swear I'll tell the truth and you misunderstood. When I smile, it's all I want you by my side, but baby that's a lie.
That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!